Good morning, children. Today I have come to you with a new topic, remove to and use of so that. By the rules and with the formula, it will clear to you how to use so that in the sentence. See, first one is if the sentence is in present tense, means am, is, are, like verbs will be there in the sentence, you have to change with cannot. Okay, then if the sentence is in past tense, then was, were, verbs will be there. Then you have, and the formula is s plus so plus that plus cannot or could not and plus object. Now we'll see the example. She is too tall to enter in the room. We have to remove this two, both two. Now sentence is in present tense, so we have to write cannot. Okay. Uh, she is so tall that she cannot enter in the room. It is like that way. She is so tall. This 2 and TO2 will write so that. He is so old. Take verb and then write that. He is so old that. Take subject. He cannot run. Sentence is done. Okay. Why we have written cannot? We have written cannot because the sentence is in present tense. Understood? Next sentence, see. They were too poor to earn bread and butter. Now we'll change with so that. They were so poor that we have changed this TOO2 and we have written so. They were so poor that they, after we have taken that, after that we have taken subject, they. This sentence is in past tense, so we have write could not. Could not earn bread and butter. See, sentence is done. They were so poor that they could not earn bread and butter. Next sentence we will see. I was too hungry to get up. I was too hungry to get up means what? मुझे इतनी भूख लगी है. I was है. Sentence is in past tense. मुझे इतनी भूख लगी थी कि मैं उठ भी नहीं सकती थी. Like that way. We'll remove this TOO2 and TO2 and instead of that we'll write so that. I was so hungry that. After that take subject that I was. Sentence is in past tense. So what to write? Could not. I was hungry that I could not get up. Over. Changes are done. So that and sentence is in past tense. That's why could not. Done. Next sentence, see. He is too fat to get up. He is, change. He is so fat. Remove TOO2. So fat. He is so fat that he. Present tense में sentence है तो what will write? Cannot. He cannot He cannot get up. Over. He is so fat that he cannot get up. वह इतना फैट है, मोटा है कि वह उठ भी नहीं सकता है. सकता है प्रेजेंट टेंस में है तो सकता है, उठ नहीं सकता है. इट इज लाइक दैट वे. ओके चिल्ड्रन, टुडे वी हैव सीन remove to and use of so that in present tense and in past tense, how it will change, that one we have seen in today's video. We'll take another examples, then it will clear to you. Okay children, till then bye bye, have a nice day.